Imagine a vegetable that could naturally increase your stamina, improve your athletic performance, lower your blood pressure, and even boost your brain function. A vegetable that has been shown in dozens of scientific studies to help you exercise longer, recover faster, and feel more energetic. That vegetable is not some exotic superfood from the Amazon. It is the humble beetroot. Beets have been eaten for centuries, but only recently has science uncovered their secret power. Beets are rich in nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide widens your blood vessels. This improves blood flow. More blood means more oxygen. More oxygen means more energy. This is the beetroot blood pump. It is natural, safe, and incredibly effective. In this article, we will explore why beets are the secret to insane stamina. You will learn how they work, what the science says, and how to use them to transform your physical performance. By the end, you will want to make beetroot a regular part of your diet. Let us start with the science. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. Nitrates are compounds that your body converts into nitrites and then into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This process is called vasodilation. When your blood vessels widen, more blood can flow through them. Your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients. Your heart does not have to work as hard to pump blood. Your blood pressure drops. Your stamina increases. This is not a theory. It has been proven in dozens of clinical trials. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology gave healthy adults beetroot juice before exercise. The participants who drank beetroot juice were able to exercise 16% longer than those who drank a placebo. Another study found that beetroot juice improved cycling performance by 12%. Professional athletes have taken note. Many cyclists, runners, and swimmers now use beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. It is legal, it is safe, it works. Let us look at the numbers. The nitrates in beets are powerful. 250 milliliter glass of beetroot juice contains about 300 to 400 milligrams of nitrates. This is the amount used in most studies. Within 2 to 3 hours of drinking beetroot juice, your blood nitrate levels peak. Your nitric oxide levels rise. Your blood vessels relax. Your blood pressure drops by 5 to 10 points. This effect lasts for several hours. If you drink beetroot juice every day, the effects are cumulative. Your baseline blood pressure may drop permanently. Your stamina improves with each dose. The effect is most pronounced in people who are not already highly trained. Elite athletes already have efficient blood flow. They still benefit, but the improvement is smaller. For regular people, the improvement is dramatic. In one study, older adults with heart failure who drank beetroot juice for 1 week had a 24% improvement in walking endurance. They could walk further without getting tired. They felt less fatigued. Now let us talk about how beets compare to other nitrate-rich foods. Spinach, arugula, and celery also contain nitrates. But beets have the highest concentration. A cup of cooked beets contains about 250 milligrams of nitrates. A cup of spinach contains about 150 milligrams. A cup of arugula contains about 200 milligrams. Beets are the winner. Beetroot juice is even more concentrated. A glass of beetroot juice contains about 300 to 400 milligrams. This is the most efficient way to get a high dose of nitrates. You can also eat whole beets. The fiber in whole beets slows down the absorption of nitrates, but you still get the benefit. The effect is slightly less dramatic than with juice, but it lasts longer. You can also take beetroot powder. Beetroot powder is made from dehydrated beets. You can mix it with water or add it to smoothies. The powder is convenient and has a long shelf life. The nitrate content varies by brand. Look for a product that lists the nitrate content or the beetroot equivalent. A typical dose is 5 to 10 grams of beetroot powder. Let us talk about the benefits for your heart. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Beets lower blood pressure naturally and effectively. The nitric oxide from beets relaxes your blood vessels. This reduces the resistance to blood flow. Your blood pressure drops. Several studies have confirmed this effect. In one study, people with high blood pressure drank a glass of beetroot juice every day for 4 weeks. Their systolic blood pressure dropped by an average of 10 points. Their diastolic blood pressure dropped by 8 points. This is comparable to some blood pressure medications. The effect was greatest in people with the highest blood pressure. Another study found that the blood pressure lowering effect of beets lasted for 24 hours. If you drink beetroot juice every day, your blood pressure stays lower consistently. This is a natural, safe, and inexpensive way to support your heart health. Now let us talk about your brain. Your brain needs oxygen and glucose to function. When blood flow to your brain decreases, your cognitive function declines. This happens naturally as you age. It also happens temporarily when you are tired or stressed. The nitric oxide from beets improves blood flow not only to your muscles, but also to your brain. Several studies have examined the effects of beets on brain function. In one study, older adults who drank beetroot juice had increased blood flow to the frontal lobes of their brains. The frontal lobes are responsible for decision-making, attention, and memory. The participants had faster reaction times and better performance on cognitive tests. Another study found that beetroot juice improved reaction time in healthy adults. The effect was seen within 90 minutes of drinking the juice. This makes beets a potential tool for maintaining cognitive function as you age. They are not a cure for dementia, but they may help slow the decline. Let us talk about exercise performance in more detail. The mechanism is clear. Nitric oxide widens your blood vessels, more blood flows to your muscles receive more oxygen. This allows you to exercise at a higher intensity for a longer duration. It also reduces the amount of oxygen your muscles need to produce the same amount of energy. This is called improving your economy of movement. Your body becomes more efficient. You use less energy to do the same work. This is why beetroot juice is so popular among endurance athletes. Cyclists, runners, rowers, and swimmers have all been studied. The results are consistent. Beetroot juice improves time to exhaustion. It improves power output. It reduces the perception of effort. In other words, you can go faster and longer, and it feels easier. A study on recreational cyclists found that drinking beetroot juice improved their 10-kilometer time by an average of 2 minutes. That is a significant improvement. Another study on competitive rowers found that beetroot juice improved their 2,000-meter time by 1.5%. In elite sports, that is a huge margin. How should you use beets for maximum stamina? Timing matters. The nitrates in beets take about 2 to 3 hours to be converted into nitric oxide. For best results, drink beetroot juice or eat whole beets 2 to 3 hours before your workout or competition. The effect lasts for several hours. If you are doing a long endurance event, you may want to take a second dose during the event. Some athletes take beetroot shots or gels during marathons or long-distance cycling events. Consistency matters. The effects of beets are cumulative. If you drink beetroot juice every day, your baseline nitric oxide levels will be higher, your blood pressure will be lower, your stamina will improve over time. You do not need to take huge amounts. A standard dose is 250 milliliters of beetroot juice, or 1 cup of cooked beets, or 5 to 10 grams of beetroot powder. Start with a smaller dose and see how you feel. Some people experience digestive upset when they first start eating beets. This is usually due to the fiber. Start with half a cup and gradually increase. Drink plenty of water. The beetroot blood pump is real. It works for athletes. It works for regular people. It works for older adults. A few warnings. Beets can turn your urine and stool pink or red. This is harmless. It is called beeturia. It happens because your body cannot fully absorb the red pigments in beets. Do not be alarmed. Beets are also high in oxalates. Oxalates can contribute to kidney stone formation in people who are prone to them. If you have a history of calcium oxalate kidney stones, talk to your doctor before eating large amounts of beets. Cooking reduces oxalate content. If you eat cooked beets rather than raw, you reduce the risk. Beets can also lower blood pressure. If you already have low blood pressure or are taking medication for high blood pressure, monitor your levels. Beets can cause your blood pressure to drop too low. Talk to your doctor. Beets are safe for most people. But as with any dietary change, start slowly and listen to your body. In summary, beets are the secret to insane stamina. They are rich in nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide widens your blood vessels. This improves blood flow to your muscles and your brain. You can exercise longer, faster, and with less perceived effort. Your blood pressure drops, your heart becomes healthier, your brain functions better. Professional athletes use beets to improve their performance. You can too. Drink beetroot juice 2 to 3 hours before your workout. Eat cooked beets every day. Take beetroot powder in your smoothie. Be consistent. The beetroot blood pump is natural, safe, and effective. It will not turn you into a superhero overnight, but it will give you an edge. It will help you push harder. It will help you recover faster. It will help you feel more energetic. Try beets. Feel the pump. Unlock your stamina. That is the power of the beetroot.